new topic today. So today's topic is content aware tool and content aware field. So I have opened this image and let us start using it. So you can find it over in the edit menu of your Photoshop. You can find that particular option, content aware field, here itself. So as soon as you click it, एक छोटा pop-up window आपको यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Okay, so you have different options over here. So foreground, background, color, pattern, history. Okay, let us understand what all these options mean. For example, now it is selected for foreground color. So foreground color means this particular color. Okay, so this is your foreground color. So जो भी color यहाँ पे होगा. So now for example it is white, and if I go and say okay, so it will fill with the foreground color. Okay, same thing with your background color. Okay, so whichever color is in the background, if you go and say okay, so it will fill up with the background color. So again I am pressing shift delete, the shortcut to this particular content aware field option, and then if I go and select color, then I can choose a custom color from here, and then I can go and select. See now why it is filling the whole image, because we have not selected anything. Okay, क्योंकि हमने कुछ सिलेक्ट नहीं किया है, इसलिए वो पूरा जो कैनवस है उसके ऊपर वो अप्लाई हो रहा है. अगर मैं कुछ सिलेक्ट करता हूँ, and now if I press shift delete, and if I go and select a color and then okay, and then if I go this, then that particular area will be filled with that particular color. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, again shift delete, you have this content aware. See now just for an example, see now I have selected nothing on my image, and if I go and press shift delete, and if I see now this content aware option is not available. Okay, so you have to select your object or your subject. Okay, only then this content aware option will be available. Okay, so we'll come back to the content aware thing. Let us understand about the pattern. So pattern, what is a pattern? There are some predefined patterns. For example, now these are green leaves. Okay, you have grass, you have water. So now if I do okay, it will of course fill with the installed patterns in your Photoshop. Okay, again shift delete. So what is an history? See if I am doing something, whatever action I do, a history is created. So, suppose I am selecting something or I am deleting something, so history is created. So you can do it from history as well, but now because I've started a new project, so I don't have any history available, so I'm not choosing that, and nothing will happen. Again black, so when you do okay, it will fill with the black. So I hope you have understood how this fill option works. Now we are going to focus on this content aware thing. Okay, so for that, let us first of all select this object. What I want to do is I want to delete this particular image or this particular subject from my image. So what I can do is first of all I have to select it. Okay, so pick the lasso tool and then very roughly draw around it. Okay, so this is my selection. Now shift delete on my keyboard. Now if you can see, you have this content aware option available. Okay, again I forgot to mention, these are the blending modes. Now I have repeated it quite a few times, so I hope you have understood it. So you have this separate blending mode as well available for this tool. Again opacity is also there. I have explained you opacity as well, so I hope I don't have to repeat it. Now what I'm doing is I've selected the content aware option, and now if I do okay, see, okay, so very easily that particular subject is deleted from the image. Okay, so this is how this content aware field works, uh, and it's very easy to do. Okay, so again I will select this particular image, and with the lasso tool I will select it very roughly. Don't go and select very fine edge पे ज़्यादा select मत करना, क्योंकि then it will mess up. So always make a rough selection. Now if I go to my shift delete option, okay, and then if I go and select OK, yeah, so my both my subjects are cleared, and it has done a pretty well job. Okay, so if you zoom in, it has done a pretty well job. For such things you can use the clone tool, and then you can clear it. Okay, so I hope this content aware option uh, is understood by you. There was one more option. Now for I'll do Control Z for, okay. Now last time we were talking about the patch tool or the healing tool. Okay, I hope you have understood those tools. So spot healing brush and healing brush, we talked about it. So you have one more option in that particular tool, that is content aware move tool. Okay, so let us understand what this particular tool does. Now for example, this I have to first of all select it. Now I don't have to go back to the lasso tool. As soon as you select the content aware tool, you can select. Okay, you don't have to go to lasso tool and select an option. Okay, so now I have selected this particular subject. uh, Here in the option you have this mode, move and extend. So for example, if I do the move option, now the subject be selected if I move it. Okay, and if I hit enter or confirm site, okay, what will happen is ये यहाँ से वो subject निकल के ये particular जगह पे आ गया. Okay, this is because I have used the option move. Okay, Control Z. Now for example, if I use extend, what will happen? This is already selected, and if I go and do this, what will happen? If that particular will remain, that particular object will remain intact in the original position, and you are creating a new option of it. Now if you go and see, there is something, you have to do a bit fine work. It has not done a pretty good job over here, but of course you can go use clone tools, and you can use eraser tools and all, and then you can start editing it very fine. I hope you have understood how to use this content aware fill and content aware tool option. And if you have any doubts, again, you can call me, WhatsApp me anytime.